Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Elisetla. Hope everyone are doing very well. SRM JEE 2021 examination mock test are already started from today and tomorrow by 11 p.m. it's going to be ended. So come on, start writing your mock test examination. Without writing this mock test examination, you can't be permitted to write the phase 1 examination that is going to be conducted on May 23rd and 24th. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Sushmita Elisetla. Thank you. Let's start our video.
So these are the steps to book exam slot for SRM JEE exam, and see, you need to visit the official website. This official website page link I'm gonna give in my description box. Please go check my description box for the link. So you'll be finding there, and click on already registered. They'll be showing you an option over there. So there you have to click this already registered and you need to log in, and there you have to fill your email ID and password. See, you need to use this email ID when you have registered. You have been registered for exam, right? So that same email ID you need to provide, because most of the students are facing some problem like we are unable to log in because you may have provided some wrong email ID. So check your email ID and provide the same email ID what you have provided during the registration for examination, and give the password and click on to the login button. Now after that, click on book exam slot, and you need to select the venue of the examination which is near to your surroundings, and you need to select the examination date and time. We have examination on May 23rd and 24th, right? So you need to select the examination date whenever it is good for you. Then you need to just select the examination date and time. SRM University will be holding the entrance exam in 2 phases. Yes, we have 2 phases for this SRM University. Phase 1 will be conducted on May 23rd and 24th, that we have already discussed, and phase 2 will be conducted on July 24th and 26th. So this phase 2 will be conducted on July 25th and 26th, and this May 23rd and 24th exam is on online. SRM University has commenced the slot booking facility for only candidates registered for the phase 1. So now the slot booking facility is open for the candidates who has registered for the phase 1 examination, not for the phase 2 examination. So people, please don't get panic that thinking why phase 2 examination slots have not been opened, because it will take some more time, because see, this exam is on July 25th and 26th, right? So on July 20 or 23rd, the examination slots will be starting for you. So don't get panic. And these examination slots are only for phase 1 students who have applied. SRM JEE 2021 application form for phase 2 registration is available till July 2021. Also, the slot booking will be commenced later on for this phase. So still they did not release any slot for this phase 2. So don't get panic. For phase 1 students, this all the thing I'm explaining now is for the phase 1 students. And the institute will be conducting its JEE examination in the remote proctored method for 2021. Means they are going to conduct this on online. Candidates who will be booking their slots will have to appear in the mock test on May 20 and 21, which is conducted by SRM Institute, to make them familiar with the remote proctored examination method. Because see guys, you don't know how to write this examination and you don't have any experience about this examination, right? So you guys need to get habituated for this examination. So keeping all those things in the mind, they have came with this idea like conducting mock test on this May 20 and 21. See, by 21, by tomorrow 11 p.m. examination, mock test examination is going to get closed, and you guys need to write these examinations for sure. You need to attempt these May 20 and 21 examinations for sure, or else you can't understand the actual examination. So for your understanding and for your commitment, they are conducting this May 20 and 21 mock test, and please use this, write the examination, then only you are going to get permitted to this actual examination.
So that's it for the today, and I'll be available with all the latest updates for you about this examination and everything. So please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe. Thank you.